side, please.
So I felt suddenly very anchored to the earth deep
Yes.
down.
Yeah.
And like some kind of release, like it wanted to anchor, but
Very
it couldn't.
good. Very good. Okay.
Yeah. And then I felt my dad's love for me. And it kind of got bigger and bigger.
Bigger and
it was
bigger.
very beautiful.
So nice. So nice. Thank you. Thank you, Tasreen. It's exactly as you felt.
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened. Okay. Thank you.
Salim, how do you feel?
There's a lot of emotion stuck here. And I felt Dad saying, it's okay.
You felt what, sorry?
He said it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. But also take your time. Letting go is not an instantaneous process.
Just from the front, I'll do your back cheeks.
Yeah.